how this process works. People are so amazed once they understand how simple it is to get a hearing test and how much information we get from it. So the first thing we're going to do is ask a questionnaire. What do you do all day long? Now, sometimes people tend to over-exaggerate what they do or under-exaggerate what they do because they don't want to give us the full picture. Once we get that filled in, we then put them into the booth, and then we conduct the hearing test. The hearing test takes about 20 minutes. There's no loud sounds. We just know what your baseline is. Once we get the hearing test completed and with your lifestyle, then we sit down and talk about what options you will need for hearing.